So you see right there, all right, that was actually my first sign I did ever. First sign I ever did. All right, that's a storefront sign. I did that with my vinyl cutter. Okay. Okay, so one thing you can definitely do with your vinyl cutter is to start a decal business. Okay, so I'm over here at a location where I myself was able to put up a sign. Okay, so the first thing you can do with your vinyl cutter is to make signs. Okay, storefront signs. Here, all right, that was actually my first sign I did ever. First sign I ever did. All right, that's a storefront sign. I did that with my vinyl cutter. Okay, all you need is some decals. You can get your decals 651, 631, and with that you can make storefront signs. All right, fortunately this store is no longer in business. As you can see, it's for lease right now, but that sign still stands. Okay, someone else is going to come and open the store, and they're going to be looking for another sign guy, and I'm going to be reaching out and saying, hey, do you need another sign? All right, make money with storefront signs. You can definitely make money with your vinyl cutter making storefront signs. All right, so I'm gonna move you to another location and see what else you can do. You see all those on this window? Those are decals. All right, storefront decals. Look at that, and more signs. All right, somebody out there put those on that window, and you yourself, you can do more with your vinyl cutter by making money like that. See that? Just like that, you can make money with your vinyl cutter. Okay, let's go on. So yeah, so that cutter that you still have sitting down in a box that you haven't opened yet, or it's on the table, or you've done one shirt, or you made a sticker for somebody and now you're still sitting on it, you got your investment sitting on the table and you haven't started, you can do more. You can make money with your vinyl cutter. Okay, whatever it is, a silhouette or crooked or one of those big cutters, no matter what type of cutter you have, you can do more. You can make money. Okay, start doing more with your vinyl cutter. Start doing more with your vinyl cutter. Let me show you something else. Okay, see this right here? Car magnets. All right, this is a magnet. Boom. I actually need to clean that. I need to take that off of my car. This is actually my car. Okay, promote your business. There's tons of people out there that's trying to promote their business. All right, promote your business with decals. This is a magnet. Okay, another thing you can do, more promotion on your business. Okay, decals on your car, someone's car. People are out there looking for this type of work, and you can do it. You can be that decal person in your neighborhood, that decal girl, decal boy, whatever it is. Make money with your vinyl cutter. Make money with your vinyl cutter selling decals. This thing costs nothing. Okay, so this decal was probably $2. All right, and it took me maybe about an hour. That's cutting, weeding, and putting it on. Okay, you can make money today making decals, personalized decals. All right, start doing it today. Don't wait.